What is up, YouTube? Dave's Midlife Car Crisis here, and I'm going to do a video response for Baseball Collector. He's doing a little contest, or not really a contest, but I'm going to choose our top 10 for the YouTube Hall of Fame. This is a tough thing to do. There's so many great people out there, a lot of friends I've made that I'd love to have in the top 10, but I've left out some great guys with great content that just I couldn't put in. It was tough. I picked out like 22 people, and I broke it down to my top 10. Couple notable. Actually, I'm not even going to go to my notable guys. So let's go to the top 10 and see who I chose to make the YouTube Hall of Fame. So here's another thing. This Baseball Collector's channel, and then first person I picked is Mr. Michael Wilkie, AR Falk 77. As you see here, he has been on here since 2006. He is what some people call the Godfather, one of the originals, and he's well deserved to be in the Hall of Fame of YouTube. Probably should be first ballot. Second I picked is Noland, Elite 03. Met him at Nationals. He's an awesome guy, and his channel is just amazing. His mail bins, his PSA grading. He also does some videos to help collectors on collecting and or how to make sure what to do when you're about to sub cards to PSA. All around awesome guy. Next I picked is my boy Mike O. He has like 4 channels. He does everything. He collects football, mostly baseball, TTMs. His other channels about Ghostbusters, which is awesome. Does some baseball vlogs. He's doing some PSA grading, a big group now that everybody's submitting to. As you see here too, he has 2.3 thousand subscribers, so awesome. And also was looking at some of this too as far as making my choices, but he has over 500,000 views on his channel, so that's amazing. Next I picked my boy Michael Fabian, Eastern Connecticut Sports Cards. Hasn't really done videos really this year, but over the last several years he has just killed it in the community. Sends out a lot of care packages, does a lot of stuff on Facebook. He was like honestly my best friend here on YouTube. We roomed together at Nationals twice. He has done a lot for people in the community, so I think he's definitely deserving of the top of our Hall of Fame. So next guy, another veteran, 5-on-5-2. Let's look at a little bit of his channel here. Over 270 views on his channel. The best Bo Jackson collection. There's a videos he did a couple years ago with his bow shelf. It's freaking amazing. And he's old school. So if you don't know him, make sure you give him a sub. Check out his old videos. Hall of Fame. Next one, Garrett, card cutter. Another guy that has a lot of subscribers, a lot of views. He does a lot of stuff for the community. Big TTMer. He is part of the Navy, which is also, he's a family man, Navy. So that's one of the reasons why I put him into my Hall of Fame. Another guy I had a pleasure meeting at the Nationals in AC was Westar Griff. Ed, he's an awesome guy. Big Phillies fan. Something different he brings to the table at YouTube is he does his Game of Thrones autos. He's also been here a long time. He has been here since 2007. 144,000 views. Just awesome. Next one, I have a Tops 85 401 Nate. He does two different channels. He does his, I see, baseball card junkies. He has also been around for a long time. Has an amazing Barry Bonds collection. Does a lot for the community as well, and 175,000 views. I mean, that's just amazing. So, next one, Brad 8671. Now he doesn't have the views that some of these other guys have, but if you know, around Christmas time, Brad Claus comes out and he blows up the community with care packages, and one of the most generous people here on YouTube. So Brad's in the Hall of Fame. And let's see, make sure this is my 10. Yeah, so there's the last one, Aaron Davis. Anybody on YouTube knows that watches his channel, knows so much about baseball and its history. His collection is awesome. But sometimes when you even watch his videos for the cards, you're listening to how we talk about the players and what they meant to the game, and he is the challenge is fantastic. So can't wait to meet him at this year's Nationals, and so check him out, Aaron Davis, Hall of Fame. So that's my top 10. Like I said, I left some people out that I really like. I'll go through some of those now, but I had a couple, like a top 22, 25, and some of the notable names that I left out we should check out is Mr. Fisher Bike, All-Star Jersey Shop, Manny, Big Fish, who's been around forever, Mike Line, who has some awesome binder videos every Monday, Ray from Philly, met him at Nationals as well, and he's been doing a great job in the community, putting on great content. Old school guy, Dominus Infinitus. Had left him out of the top 10, but he's also old school and puts out some good stuff. Wenzel 888. Probably could be in the top 10, but he's a Patriots fan, so I left him out. LS Cards, big time TTMer, and Silver Jackify, who tough leaving him out because he has a lot of views and he has a lot of subscribers, and he was probably like 11th, so at least for me. So, but check all these guys out, and y'all have a good night.